We're about to unravel a tech marvel that's making waves in the world of 3D modeling. Let's take a quick look into the AI revolution that's transforming 3D mesh generation. Introducing FlexiCubes, the brainchild of NVIDIA that's set to redefine the art of creating jaw-dropping 3D models. Now let's talk about why this is such a big deal. We all know that AI has been flexing its muscles across various domains, but the fusion of AI and 3D modeling, that's like bringing together Picasso and a supercomputer to craft digital masterpieces. It's the kind of innovation that makes us rethink what's possible in the world of technology. Alright, here's the scoop. 3D modeling has evolved into a powerhouse of creative expression, and AI has played a significant role in that evolution. But FlexiCubes takes it to a whole new level. Imagine generating intricate 3D models with a level of precision that's mind-boggling. We're talking about models that mirror reality, from scenes recreated with impeccable accuracy to custom assets designed to plunge you into immersive digital experiences. And the secret ingredient: FlexiCubes. Now, you might be wondering, what's the fuss about 3D meshes? Well, think of them as the digital building blocks of your favorite 3D models. They determine the shape, texture, and behavior of objects in a virtual space. But here's the catch. These meshes need to be exceptional, compatible with various software, and ready for some serious physics simulations. That's where FlexiCubes swoops in to save the day. NVIDIA, the trailblazers behind this innovation, looked at the conventional approach to mesh generation and said, "We can do better." And boy, did they deliver. FlexiCubes isn't just a step forward. It's a quantum leap. It's like they added a touch of magic to the process. Here's the heart of it. Instead of sticking with the same old methods, FlexiCubes introduces adaptable parameters that fine-tune the mesh, and the magic happens in real time, adjusting and optimizing as the mesh takes form. This innovation sets FlexiCubes leagues apart from traditional techniques like marching cubes. Picture this. You're sculpting your digital masterpiece with an unprecedented level of precision. These tweaks, these flexible parameters, keep evolving as your model takes shape, ensuring a level of detail that's unparalleled. This isn't just mesh generation, it's mesh evolution. FlexiCubes doesn't just stop at aesthetics, it's about physics simulations too. Think about it, the quality of your mesh can make or break how your simulations play out. FlexiCubes comes through with tetrahedral meshes that are like the gold standard for simulations. It's like having a Swiss Army knife that's perfectly tailored for the job. And the innovation doesn't stop there. FlexiCubes breaks away from the pack of traditional methods like marching cubes and dual contouring. While those methods had their heyday, FlexiCubes steps in with more freedom, giving you the ability to position each vertex exactly where you want it. This means your meshes are as unique and vibrant as your imagination. Now, let's talk about perks. FlexiCubes doesn't just whip up meshes. It crafts solid, watertight ones that are practically intersection-free. No more odd artifacts or clashing elements. It's like getting a custom-made suit for your model. And the best part, it's a pro at gradient-based optimization, even when you're working with a modest number of elements. Now, you might be wondering, how does FlexiCubes fit into your world? Are you into 3D modeling? Brace yourself for top-tier surface meshes that capture every nuance of your vision. If you're all about generative design, FlexiCubes is your new best friend. It's all about nailing those simulations and optimizations, making your creative journey a smooth ride. Now, for the surprising part, FlexiCubes isn't just about design. It's eyeing the world of 3D printing too. Imagine meshes that are a perfect fit for complex shapes, making your 3D printing process smoother and more efficient. It's like giving 3D printing a turbo boost. While FlexiCubes is making waves, it's not the universal fix for everything. It's like that shiny new tool you got, incredibly powerful, but you've got to figure out where it fits best. FlexiCubes specializes in mesh generation and optimization, but integrating it seamlessly into every workflow requires some thoughtful tinkering. So there you have it. FlexiCubes is here to elevate your 3D modeling game with its revolutionary approach to mesh generation. NVIDIA's presentation at SIGGRAPH 2023 has set the stage for a new era in 3D modeling, where creativity meets technology in the most awe-inspiring way. Get ready for a world where AI and design collide, where meshes are as impressive as they are accurate, and where innovation knows no bounds. FlexiCubes might just be the spark that ignites a fire of creativity in the world of digital design. Stay tuned for more AI updates, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your regular dose of AI tech wonders. This is AI Nexus, Catch you in the next one.